Okay, so today we're gonna walk through an installation video on how to install this awesome 8-foot sunshade. A couple tools we're gonna need to get the job done. You'll need a drill. I'm gonna be going into metal over here, so I'm gonna be pre-drilling all of my holes. So you'll need a drill and an impact, and of course a measuring tape. First we're gonna need to do is hook up our receiving parts on each end. Then we snap the sunshade in. Should be relatively easy. I'm gonna get on the ladder here, pre-drill some holes, and we'll get started. All right, so I'm gonna start by pre-marking these holes. I'm not gonna measure yet simply because of where I want my shade. I want it to be right in the middle of this beam here where it starts, also where we'll be raising and lowering our beam. So I'm not gonna measure this one just yet. I'm just gonna go ahead, put it where I need it, and I'm gonna mark my holes, so that way I can get to pre-drilling. One right here. There's one. All right, holes are drilled. All right, so next part, we'll be screwing in our plate into our metal here. Make sure your plate is facing the right way. My shade's gonna be running this way, so I wanna make sure it's faced like that. All right, here we go. All right, so I got one of the mounting brackets on the other side installed over there. I've measured exactly 97¼ inches over here to the other side. So same thing as the other side, we're gonna pre-drill our holes, get these mounted, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have both of our mounting brackets attached, now it's time to install our sunshade. One thing I forgot to mention in the earlier video, whenever you're mounting your brackets, make sure you install your right bracket nice and secure. Your left bracket, you may want to leave a little bit loose just to give you a little bit of play whenever you're installing your sunshade. Once your sunshade is installed, then you proceed to tighten everything up as hard as you need to ensure your sunshade doesn't move around. Also, this sunshade is directional. Your right side has to go in first, and then we're gonna clip in the other side here. Alrighty, so I will say, definitely have your neighbor, your friend, I had my wife, have someone definitely help you hang this shade up. It's a heck of a lot easier. I would say it's definitely a two-person job. And that's it, you're essentially done. So of course, you have your handy dandy little tool to help raise and lower it. Hook it up right here, and there you go. Just like that, it goes up. Install these little covers here. So very simple to install. You just drill and tap your cover right here. These just string right through. There's a little ball that hooks up into the bottom here. Very easy, no big deal there. And bam, nice and secure.